अब यहाँ खड़ी हो सब रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है।
Good morning, students. This is your class for English, class 9th. Now today your topic is of story writing. We have 3 topics in writing in grammar in class 9. Article writing, diary entry and story writing. Now today I am going to give you a guideline for story writing. Now whenever you are given a topic to write a story, with what things you have to do it. Now a question starts. Aradhana started writing a story of 2 boys in a jungle. 2 boys in a jungle is your topic, is your title of the story. It is the title of the story. Then whenever you are asked a question for story writing, you are asked to make a story on some given hints or tips. Like here, an outline has been given. Went out to explore forest, dash, lost the way, dash, away from the camp, dash, cries of animals, heard, thump, thump sound, dash, a large elephant, dash, trumpeted angrily, dash, came towards them, dash, a balloon, dash, started blowing, dash, big balloon, dash, hit hard with hand, dash, bang bang, dash, loud noise, dash, elephant turned away, dash, saved. Now if you just take seriously the outline, you will see that by misguidance 2 boys went to a jungle, and what happened there, with what kind of dangers they encountered, what effort they made to save themselves, and how they returned back. This is the gist or substance of this story. Now you cannot deviate from the topic or the title or the given outline. Now you have to make that story, and you don't have to just simply fill in the blanks. That is not story making. That is simply not story making. You have to construct a story according to the given directions and your word limit. Even if you are unable to figure out the question here, you can take any of your sample paper or from anywhere, take a story and construct the story. This is your homework for class 9 today. You make a story, this story or any other story by outline, submit it to me. Okay? That's all for today.